So, mag-unboxing tayo. It's Salomon for my summer. I got rain jacket. Yes, I got some travel cube. Lalagyan ng damit. Travel. And then another one. Small packing cube. And I got the, how do you call this one? The sling bag. Waterproof. Gonna use it for my stocking travel. So it's water resistant. So it's good for cell phone and battery and tripod. And the last but not the least, charot lang. It's, oh, this is nice. I like it because it's made from recycled plastic. Oh, the packaging, not the bag. But yeah, it's a day backpack. Good for hand carry stuff line. And the brand is MacPac. There you go. That's it's one of a good brand available in Usaya. So ito lalagyan ng sleeping bag or shoes or rain jacket. And it's 30 liter. You can put the laptop there. So it's really good for day hike. That's all. So, pwede siyang ganyan. Pwede adjustable. This one. And okay. Tapos pwede dito sa belt. And pwede rin sa back. So, same color. I don't mean to get it the same.